Hey guys, today I am posting a plan with me video in my Erin Condren Daily Duo. I'm doing the second week of December, and I got the inspiration for this layout from Donna Miller, who shared her photo in the Coco Daisy Planner Fans group, or I'm sorry, Coco Daisy Fans group. Um, and I loved it so much that I immediately wanted to do a layout similar to hers. So I'm using this Erin Condren Daily Duo right now. So each page is a day. The first thing I did was go in and write stuff because I wanted to know where things needed to be written before I started putting my decoration in and possibly covering up important areas. So I wrote in things that needed to be written in on the schedule for each day, and I've added my washi across the top. And now I'm using stickers this is from, I believe, the Planner Classified kit from Coco Daisy, and the washi up above, put that down. And in order to make my ornaments, I am taking apart here the standard dory, and I'm finding some cute picture areas, and I'm just using circular hole punches to punch those little pictures out. Those are going to be my ornaments. And as you can see, I'm also cutting here the sheet of snowflake vellum that came in the Planner Classified kit. And then as soon as the vellum is done, I'm also going to just cut patterns from the papers that came with the kit. Here I'm cutting circles out of the dashboards. And let's see. Yep, here come the papers. So I'm just cutting some paper, so I'll just have plain patterns that aren't necessarily photos. And this whole thing could not be easier. Basically on each page, I'm just going to sort of locate 3 of those circles and then glue them on. I'm just using a regular glue stick. I ran out of the sticky stuff for my Xyron machine. That would have really come in handy right here, but c'est la vie. Glue also works. So on each day, I'm putting 3 ornaments. When I get to the end, I'll go back and add a little, like a string. This was really, I don't know why I never thought of this before. When I saw the Donna's photo in the Coco Daisy group, I immediately commented that I loved the idea and wanted to share it and would credit her. And she said it was an old idea back from her card making days. So apparently it's something that people do a lot, except I just had never thought of it and had never seen it. And so it was new to me. And I immediately knew that I wanted to use that idea. So this right side page, this is the weekend, and the bottom part is, it's labeled for like notes and inspiration, and I typically don't use that area, so it's a good area for decoration. I'm going to cut off the bottom of that one ornament so it kind of looks like it's going off. And then with my pen, I'm just freehanding outline to make it look like it's an ornament, and freehanding little messy bows on there. And even though I've got the ruler here, I'm just sort of using it as a guide. I'm still freehanding the lines because I just wanted it to look a little bit, I don't know, not messy. I don't know what the word is that I want. I wanted it to just kind of look natural and homemade, I guess. So don't they look cute? Those little round balls hanging down with a little bow. And there's still places where I can write things in if I need to, and I might have to get creative about it, but you know, it is what it is. And this is pretty much it. I really love how it turned out. I'm inking some check boxes because I love to check things off every day, and so I'm checking off the things on my schedule. And this is it. Oh no, it's not. I'm adding I'm adding my stickers where I put down my dinners, my meal planning. I forgot that I was going to do that. And that, I think, is it. Yep, there it is. And here's a couple of close-ups. Super, super simple. So thank you, Donna, for the idea. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you again next time.